Okay, so the little tip I was going to share with you is, if you will notice here in the ceiling, there's this box that you really don't even see it when you walk into the room. Behind this box is the ductwork for the upstairs of the house. And all of your plumbing and all of your ductwork can be hidden throughout the house, in closets and behind cabinets and behind these little chaseways that just blend in with the logs in the walls. So we've had a good look downstairs. So let's just take a walk through here and go upstairs and take a look. The first thing we're going to notice is the timber frame stairs. They're gorgeous. The railing is included. The stair treads are included. It's all oak, and it's chunky, and it really matches the house well. Okay, now that we've made it upstairs, the first thing that we're going to notice is this little loft area right here. It's a perfect size for a home office or a craft area or a place for the kids to hang out. The loft looks out over the living room. You can see out the windows, and it's just a really nice little space that has so much potential. This space could be increased if you wanted to raise the ceiling here and make hip walls on the outside, and I can show you an example of that back here in the second bedroom. So let's take a look into this second bedroom. This room, as you'll notice, the roof height is quite a bit higher. This has a 6-foot wall rather than in the loft area where the roof rafters were at a much steeper pitch. We call this using a hip wall or a knee wall, and it gives the room a lot more usable space without a lot more expense. This second room has a second full bath. Well, thanks for walking through with me and taking a peek at our oak log cabin kit from Schutt Log Homes. If you would like any more information or more pictures, have any questions, check us out at oakcabins.com or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.